Hey y'all, what's going on? Caden Finch with CF Cigar Box Guitars. I almost forgot what I actually do. Anyways, we got another video for you guys. I'm super excited. We're going to be doing an unboxing video of unboxing boxes. That's right. I got 3 brand new cigar boxes that just came in the mail today, so I'm super excited to show them off. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Cigar boxes that just freshly came in, and I am excited to check them out. Oh boy. Oh, this one's so gonna be a ukulele. Check that out. Vintage punch box. Yeah, still smells like cigars too. Oh yeah, check that out. I'll make a cool, I think we're making a ukulele out of this one. What do y'all think? I think this is prime ukulele material. Alright, set that over there for a minute. On to the next one. Oh, kitty. You gonna come and be in the video? Nope. Okay. Alright. Oh, I guess I did get that one. Cool. Alright. Oh, I was super excited about this one. I hope it looks super good. Oh, yep. It looks as cool as I thought it would. What is that on there, though? Oh, I guess it's just tape or something. Chillin' Moose. Oh, man. Look at that box. It's got one of the slide-on lids, too. Like that graphic. Oh, this is a cool box. I thought it would be more red, but I kind of like the darker maroon color. Hopefully that shows up on camera. But man, this one's cool too. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I don't know, maybe make another bass guitar. Hopefully, if this one that I'm building currently goes well. Or maybe just another 3-stringer. Who knows? I love that design though. It looks super cool. Oh, you gonna be in the video now? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Oh. You want the pets? You want the pets? So you leave me out here in this woodshed all day with no attention. Give me attention, human. You gotta move though. You're kind of fat. There we go. Alright, we got one more box today. And this one I'm super excited about. I know exactly which one this one is. If I can get her open. Shoot. Shoot. Oh. Nice. Oh. This one is as sick as I thought it would look. Check that one out, y'all. Oh man. A little bit of a scratch on the back of it, but what can you expect from a used box? So, not gonna complain about it. Perfectly good for what we do, y'all. Man, that's so cool. Let's open her up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but It's got all this crazy color in between there. Oh man, that is cool. Oh, that is sick, y'all. And it is solid. That is solid. It didn't come out. So, man, I love this box. Oh, this one's gonna make a cool cigar box guitar. This may be my next project, y'all. This may be the next one we do. Maybe I'll do let's build CAO. I think that's what it is. CAO BX3 Brazilian times 3. That was a cool box, man. That was gonna be awesome. All right, guys. Kind of a short one today. That's all I got for you. So I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. So hope y'all are enjoying the videos. I've been having a blast making them for you guys. Hope y'all are enjoying the let's build a cigar box base video. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, hopefully we'll be done with that series. So I know it is coming along. So all right, guys, I will check y'all later. See you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.